You are losing the diamond of your body every single day, but you have no idea about it. Yes, testosterone is nothing less than a diamond for us, because it's the source that gives us muscle growth, facial development, bone strength, and the energy to move our body. But ever since the internet became easily accessible, you've been wasting that valuable treasure through daily masturbation. As a result, you've lost your strength, focus, motivation, and even the spark in your relationships. However, it's not too late yet. If you start storing your testosterone from now, you can regain everything you've lost. So today, I'll share a few simple tips that will help you feel that lost energy and power once again. And at the end, I will share a recipe of a secret dessert that can boost your testosterone so quick you ever think of it. So don't skip any part of this short video. Tip number 1, don't be alone. Whenever you stay alone, the urge to masturbate will rise again. You'll start thinking, I'm home alone now, no one's gonna see me. And that's exactly when you end up doing it. So if you truly want to boost your testosterone, please don't stay alone. Spend time with your parents or hang out and play with your friends if needed. Also, block all the content on your phone that pulls you back into this bad habit. Yes, at first it might feel a little hard to control yourself, but within just 1 week, things will start to feel normal again. Tip number 2, keep yourself busy. The urge to go back to bad habits only comes when you're doing nothing. But when you stay busy with something productive, those thoughts won't even enter your mind. So follow a proper daily routine and build a hobby for yourself, like playing football, cricket, photography, editing, or skill development. Keep yourself engaged in things that help you grow. Also, make sure to exercise every single day, because fitness not only strengthens your body, it also strengthens your brain. As a result, your stress hormones go down and your testosterone level increases naturally. Tip number 3, keep your body cool. To produce healthy sperm and testosterone, your testicles need to stay cool. If you take hot showers, work with a laptop on your lap, or do anything that heats up that area, your testosterone production will start to drop. So, to naturally boost your testosterone, take cold showers, wear loose pants, and keep any electronic devices away from your testicles. Tip number 4, rest your brain. Sleep is the best way to give your brain proper rest. It's also known as the rebuilding time for both your body and mind. If you don't get enough sleep, your stress hormones increase and your testosterone level drops. So, to boost your testosterone naturally, make sure you sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every day. Tip number 5, follow a healthy diet. In my previous video, I already talked about eating foods rich in magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D, because these nutrients help boost testosterone naturally. For zinc, eat red meat, fish, and eggs. For magnesium, include nuts, fish, bananas, and avocados in your diet. And for vitamin D, the best source is sunlight. But don't stand under harsh sunlight. Just spend 15 to 20 minutes in the soft morning sun, that's enough. Also, drink plenty of clean water every day. Use metal or glass bottles to store water, and avoid using plastic ones. And now for the secret recipe you've been waiting for, aloe vera dessert. Aloe vera is super easy to find, and this recipe is really simple to make. You'll need 1 cup aloe vera gel, 1 cup milk, a small amount of sugar just for taste, 2 tablespoons clarified butter, chopped almonds, and a bit of cardamom. This is how you can make it. First, wash the aloe vera gel well and chop it into small pieces. Then, heat some clarified butter in a frying pan on low flame and stir gently. Add the aloe vera and milk. If the dessert looks too thick, you can add a little water. Once the milk starts drying up, add sugar. Finally, mix in the chopped almonds and cardamom, and it's ready. Eat this dessert 2 to 3 times a week on an empty stomach. It'll help a lot in boosting your testosterone levels naturally. However, if you have allergies or diabetes, consult your doctor before trying it. If you can follow all these tips patiently for just 7 days, you'll start noticing real changes in yourself. Remember, consistency and self-control are the keys. Once you build them, you'll overcome all your bad habits and turn yourself into the best version of who you can be. And yes, all of this is possible because of your boosted testosterone. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.